What if I told you that the next few days could change everything? Right now, powerful cosmic forces are aligning, bringing events that could shift your energy, your perspective, and even your destiny. From planetary transitions to rare celestial events, this week is packed with moments that you cannot ignore. Some of the most significant astrological and astronomical shifts of the year are unfolding, and the choices you make now could have long-lasting effects. Whether it's a rare planetary shift, an intense lunar phase, or a cosmic alignment that hasn't happened in years, each event carries a message, one that could bring clarity, opportunities, and transformation. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Before we go further, comment, "I am ready for positive change," to set the right energy for the days ahead. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming. This is one update you can't afford to skip. This week, Jupiter becomes the center of celestial activity with fascinating events involving its largest moons. On Tuesday, March 25th, Europa and Ganymede will transit across Jupiter's face, creating a spectacular sight for those in the western US. These transits are rare moments when two of Jupiter's massive moons pass in front of the planet at the same time, casting their shadows onto its swirling clouds. If you have a telescope, this is a must-see event. Jupiter itself remains highly visible in Taurus, shining at a brilliant magnitude of -2.1, making it one of the brightest objects in the night sky. On Wednesday, March 26th, the moon Io will also transit Jupiter, with its shadow following an hour later. Meanwhile, Europa and Ganymede will briefly form a striking north-south alignment before shifting positions. This movement showcases the dynamic interactions of Jupiter's moons, which constantly dance around the gas giant. By Thursday, March 27th, both Io and Europa will exit eclipse, reappearing from Jupiter's shadow. At 11:50 p.m. CDT, Europa will emerge just 32 arcseconds from Jupiter's limb, offering a final celestial highlight. These events are a reminder of the vast and ever-changing universe above us. Venus, the second brightest object in the night sky after the moon, is undergoing a significant transition this week. On Thursday, March 27th, Venus will appear near Neptune, a rare conjunction that symbolizes a blending of beauty, love, and spirituality with deep intuition and mystery. This cosmic pairing may inspire heightened creativity, vivid dreams, and an increased sense of emotional clarity. If you've been seeking answers or direction, this alignment could provide subtle yet powerful insights. By Friday, March 28th, Venus will shift into the morning sky, rising before the Sun at a dazzling magnitude of -4.1. This marks an important energetic change as Venus moves from the evening sky, associated with reflection and closure, to the morning sky, symbolizing fresh beginnings and forward momentum. If you wake up before sunrise, take a moment to step outside and witness Venus shining brilliantly in the dawn sky, a visual reminder that new opportunities are on the horizon. Meanwhile, the Moon, Mercury, and Saturn will also rise close to the Sun, though they will be challenging to spot due to their low visibility. This celestial gathering, though subtle, reflects a powerful moment of transition, encouraging self-reflection, renewal, and the embrace of new possibilities. March 29th marks a powerful turning point, as the new moon arrives at 10:58 GMT, 6:58 AM EDT, setting the stage for deep transformation. New moons symbolize new beginnings, making this an ideal time to reflect, set intentions, and realign your energy toward your goals. With the sky almost completely dark, This phase also offers a perfect opportunity for stargazing and deep sky observations, as the absence of moonlight enhances visibility. However, the biggest cosmic event of the day is the partial solar eclipse, visible across Canada, Greenland, Northern Europe, and parts of Russia. In Canada, the eclipse will reach an impressive 93% coverage, creating a breathtaking spectacle where the sun will appear as a glowing crescent. Solar eclipses signify major shifts, both personally and globally, often bringing sudden insights, unexpected changes, or a sense of clarity. This is a time to embrace transformation and trust that the universe is guiding you toward your highest path. If you are in a region where the eclipse is visible, be sure to use proper eye protection to view it safely. Even if you can't see it directly, the energy of this celestial event will still be felt, making this a day of powerful realignment and renewal. March 30th marks a significant astrological event as Neptune enters Aries, a shift that hasn't happened since 1861. Neptune, the planet of dreams, intuition, and spiritual awakening, has spent years in Pisces, a sign where its energy is fluid, introspective, and deeply emotional. But as it moves into Aries, a fiery and action-driven sign, this marks the beginning of a new era of bold spiritual transformation. This shift will encourage people to turn dreams into action, making it an excellent time to start projects that require courage and innovation. If you've been feeling stuck in a cycle of uncertainty, Neptune in Aries will push you to trust your instincts and take decisive steps toward your goals. Expect a surge in global movements, focused on independence, self-expression, and breaking free from limiting beliefs. On a personal level, this transit may heighten your intuition and inspire a sense of purpose. Pay attention to sudden realizations or deep inner callings. You are being guided towards something greater. As Neptune reshapes collective consciousness, you may notice an increased interest in spiritual awakening, visionary leadership, and pioneering new ideas. This is a time to step forward with confidence and clarity. The universe is pushing you toward your highest potential. This week brings major planetary shifts, affecting how we see the night sky. If you enjoy stargazing, these changes offer unique opportunities to observe Mercury, Venus, Saturn, and Neptune as they transition between visibility phases. For those in the Northern Hemisphere, Mercury starts the week as an evening planet in Pisces, but after March 24th, it shifts to the morning sky, making it harder to spot without a clear horizon. Venus, which has been a stunning evening object, also moves into the morning sky by March 23rd, rising before sunrise. If you're up early, you'll witness Venus shining brilliantly in the east, signaling fresh energy and new beginnings. Meanwhile, Neptune, which has been in Pisces, becomes unobservable after March 19th, disappearing into the sun's glare. In the southern hemisphere, Mercury follows a similar pattern, being visible in the evening, but fading into poor visibility in the morning after March 24th. Saturn, which has been hidden in the sun's glare, will reappear in the morning sky by late March, offering a subtle but exciting change. This week's planetary shifts remind us that cosmic movements influence not just the sky, but also our personal energy, decisions, and perspectives. This week is a powerful turning point, filled with opportunities for growth, clarity, and transformation. The universe is always guiding you, sometimes through celestial events, sometimes through your own intuition. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and that every shift happening now is leading you towards something greater. Stay open, stay aware, and step into this new energy with confidence. Comment, "I welcome new beginnings," to affirm your readiness for positive change. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Wisdom Quest and turn on notifications. We have more life-changing insights coming your way.